Once upon a time, there were two neighbors living next to each other. One of them was a retired teacher, and another was an insurance agent who had a lot of interest in technology. Both of them had planted different plants in their garden. The retired teacher was giving a small amount of water to his plants, and didn't always give a full attention to them, while the other neighbor interested in technology had given a lot of water to his plants and looked after them too well. The retired teacher's plants were simple but looked good. The insurance agent's plants were much fuller and greener. One day, during the night, there was a heavy rain and a wind due to a minor storm. Next morning, both of the neighbors came out to inspect the damage to their garden. The neighbor who was an insurance agent saw that his plants came off from the roots and were totally destroyed. But the retired teacher's plants were not damaged at all and were standing firm. The insurance agent neighbor was surprised to see it. He went to the retired teacher and asked, "We both grew the same plants together. I actually looked after my plants better than you did for yours, and even gave them more water. Still, my plants came off from the roots, while yours didn't. How is that possible?" The retired teacher smiled and said, "You gave your plants more attention and water, but because of that they didn't need to work themselves for it. You made it easy for them. While I gave them just an adequate amount of water and let their roots search for more. And because of that, their roots went deeper and that made their position stronger. That is why my plants survived."